Hi guys, this is Khazi on Tech YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel. Today I will show you how to install AWS CLI with help of Homebrew. Now start. Open the Safari browser. I will mention the URL in the description. Please copy and paste into the browser. Please copy the AWS CLI command and open the terminal and paste here and enter. Now downloading is start. Please subscribe my channel Khazi on Tech YouTube channel. On future I will update more software installation process. I will update to you, and please subscribe my channel. And download is completed. To verify the AWS CLI hyphen version, enter. Now can you see the AWS CLI is installed 2.1.5 and Python also installed. Thank you so much.